Hi guys, I'm your host Preeta Kolkar, and today we will be talking about a document that can make or break your dream to study abroad. If you want to know what it is, then stick around because we will be covering it in the next few minutes. The other day, one of my friends got their student visa rejected. They had all their documents in place and had a flawless student record. So, where did it go wrong? It was the SOP. Despite being a star student, if your SOP falls short of showcasing it, then you can bid farewell to that US student visa. But fear not, we are here to help you through this. Let's look at the top 10 tips that can improve your SOP for a higher chance at visa and student acceptance. Sure, others can write your SOP for you, but will they know you the you know yourself? So, don't slack off and get down to writing your own SOP. Write how you would speak to someone older than you, but make sure that you come off as an interesting person to have a chat with. Formatting and structuring are the last things that you would want to ruin your chances of getting that precious degree from your preferred university. Don't be shy, guys. This is the place where you can pour your thoughts behind wanting to pursue your major. So, go on and share your passion, articulately, of course. The best way to get the officer to connect with your SOP is to get them to connect with you. Add some interesting but relevant anecdotes that will give them insights into your thoughts. If you have a work experience relevant to your course, then this is where you describe it aptly. Let them know that your knowledge can be an asset. If anything, this is your opportunity to showcase your art of storytelling and make your SOP more interesting to read. But make sure that you don't deviate from the facts. It would be kinda hard to approve an essay with bad grammar now. Wouldn't you agree? Do not be that person. An essay written in isolation is an essay set for failure. Ask for feedback on your essay so that you can modify and improve it to perfection. And last tip, take a deep breath and just be yourself. Remember, no one knows your achievements and failures better than you. So, trust yourself and go for it. And that concludes our video on SOP writing tips. The biggest strength you will have while writing your SOP is your knowledge of yourself. Trust the process, ask for feedback, improve, and be confident. You've got this. We would love to know your experiences with SOP writing. So, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. You will find more similar content on international students and their challenges on our channel. If you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified the next time we post a video. That is all for today. Your host Preeta Kolkar is signing out. See you all in the next one.